Have you ever found yourself caught in the whirlwind of life, feeling like you're juggling 100 things at once? The to-do lists, the deadlines, the endless notifications. Sometimes it all just feels too much, doesn't it? But what if I told you that there's a simple, powerful tool right at your fingertips, one that doesn't require any fancy equipment or a lot of time? That tool is breath-focused meditation. It's about tuning into the rhythm of your breath, and trust me, it can be a game changer. Let's start with the benefits. Imagine a life where stress and anxiety don't hold you hostage. Breath-focused meditation can help you achieve that. When you focus on your breath, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is just a fancy way of saying you're telling your body to calm down. It's like hitting the reset button on your stress levels. You take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then let it all go. With each exhale, you can feel the weight lifting off your shoulders, leaving you more relaxed and centered. But that's not all. This practice also sharpens your focus. Think about it. In our fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. But breath-focused meditation trains your mind to return to the breath whenever it wanders off. It's like a mental workout for clarity and concentration. The more you practice, the better you get at staying present in whatever task you're tackling. Whether it's a work project or a conversation with a friend, you'll find yourself more engaged and attentive. And let's talk about emotions for a moment. We all have them. Some days they feel like a tidal wave, and other days like a gentle breeze. Breath-focused meditation helps you observe those emotions without judgment. You learn to sit with them, to acknowledge them, and to let them pass, rather than getting swept away. This emotional resilience is crucial. It's not about suppressing feelings, it's about understanding and managing them. Physically, the benefits are just as profound. When you practice breath awareness, you release physical tension. You might notice your heart rate slowing down, your muscles relaxing, and that tightness in your chest easing up. It's a beautiful reminder that your body and mind are connected. When one relaxes, the other follows suit. So, how do you actually practice breath-focused meditation? It's simpler than you might think. First, find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or even lie down if that feels better for you. The key is to keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes or soften your gaze, whatever feels right. Now, take a few deep breaths to settle in. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale fully. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. This is where the magic happens. Focus on the sensation of your breath. Where do you feel it most? Is it in your nostrils, your chest, or your belly? Let that sensation be your anchor. As you settle into this practice, you might notice your mind wandering. That's completely normal. When it happens, gently acknowledge it without judgment and guide your attention back to your breath. This act of returning is a crucial part of the practice. It's a reminder that you can always come back to the present moment, no matter how far your thoughts drift. You can continue this practice for 5 to 10 minutes, or longer if you wish. Just maintain that gentle awareness of each inhale and exhale. And when you're ready to conclude, take a few deep breaths again, appreciating the calm and focus you've cultivated. Now, here's a little tip. Be patient with yourself. Meditation isn't about perfection, it's about presence. Some days will feel easier than others, and that's okay. If you find it hard to focus, try counting your breaths. 1 for the inhale, 2 for the exhale, and so on, up to 10. then start again. This can help anchor your attention even more. And let's not forget about the different variations you can explore. You might want to add a mantra, like silently repeating peace with each exhale, or visualize your breath as a soothing wave of energy washing over you. You can even practice alternate nostril breathing to balance your energy and deepen your focus. Incorporating mindfulness into your breath. Focused meditation can enhance its effects. Pay attention to the space between breaths, the stillness that exists at the top of each inhale and the end of each exhale. It's in that stillness that you can truly connect with the present moment. The art of returning to your breath is invaluable. It teaches you how to let go of distractions and stay grounded. And the more you practice, the more you'll find that this skill translates into your everyday life. You'll be better equipped to handle stress, maintain focus, and cultivate a sense of calm amidst the chaos. Regularly practicing breath-focused meditation can lead to a myriad of benefits. You'll notice enhanced concentration, improved emotional resilience, better sleep, and a reduction in anxiety and depression symptoms. It's about creating a habit of mindfulness that seeps into every aspect of your life, making you more aware and present. So, I invite you to take a moment to reflect. How does focusing on your breath make you feel, both physically and mentally? What challenges do you encounter during your practice, and how can you gently address them? And think about how making breath-focused meditation a regular part of your routine can improve your focus and emotional well-being. It's a journey, and every step counts. Embrace the process, and remember that your breath is always there for you, waiting to guide you back to the present moment.